Adobe has made a significant stride in the integration of AI into its products. The latest versions of Photoshop Elements and Premiere Elements have been enriched with multiple AI-powered features. The artificial intelligence features are driven by Adobe's new Sensei AI platform. In Photoshop, users can now find a tool that automatically selects objects and backgrounds for editing, a feature that closely mirrors Google's Pixel Magic Eraser technology. This tool can be utilized for tasks such as sky replacement, skin smoothing, and introducing artistic effect options to transform images into artistic visuals. Adobe's Sensei AI has also enhanced JPEG upscaling, resulting in a smoother and more natural appearance. In the realm of video editing, Premiere now uses AI to auto-generate highlight reels from uploaded footage. These advancements provide users with an elevated creative experience and assist them in learning as they work. The Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses powered by Adobe's Sensei AI have been making waves in the smart glasses industry. These glasses offer features like automatic object selection in Photoshop and come in a variety of styles. But what makes them truly impressive is their ability to live stream to platforms like Facebook, capturing hands-free videos with commendable quality and effective stabilization. Reddit is reportedly considering cutting ties with Google, which could potentially require users to log into Reddit to access content. This move is in response to negotiations with generative AI companies concerning payment for Reddit's data. If this change is implemented, it could significantly impact how users access Reddit content through search engines. IBM has developed a new AI processor named NorthPole, designed for high efficiency in executing inference-based neural networks. NorthPole is unique in that it merges computational units with local memory, reducing the energy costs associated with transferring data between memory and execution units. It is optimized for tasks like image classification or audio transcription and can be up to 35 times more efficient than using a GPU. To summarize, the world of AI is ever evolving with advancements like Adobe's AI-powered features in Photoshop and Premiere, the AI-integrated Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, Reddit's potential move to block search crawlers, and IBM's energy-efficient AI processor, NorthPole. These developments are not only pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve, but are also shaping the future of technology as we know it. Click subscribe to keep up with the latest news about AI.